Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you the Playground feature in the Google Android app. This is the default app for Android 10 devices, and today I'm going to use my Google Pixel 2 XL right here with an updated version of Android 10 to show you how you can use Playground for your social media content. So Playground is basically an AR or augmented reality platform that Google has built on the app, so no need for you to install a third-party app. It's right there with new features like lens and slow-mo, time-lapse. So if you want to save memory for your smartphone, then you might want to use the default app, which is very supported and very optimized for your Android 10 device. So right here we have our camera app. Just tap on it, open it. So we know the basic features like portrait, camera, video. So Google camera, it has some basics right here. Portrait for those blurred out backgrounds, night sight for low light situations. So if we are in a dimly lit environment, you might want to use night sight. Portrait for blurred out background. Camera for your standard camera. So the Google Pixel 2 XL doesn't have any fancy features like a zoom in or a wide angle. It's basically one camera, so it's a single lens system. This is a video, so I'm not going to talk about these features, but on the last option we have our more. So this is where we're going to start. So this is the panorama. So we know what that do. It takes wide photographs of landscapes or panoramic views. Photosphere takes a 360 view. Slow motion takes a very slow motion version of a video. Time lapse is to speed up a very long video clips. So if you want to maybe time lapse the setting of the sun, that's the most common thing that you can see in the internet right now. Lens, we're gonna talk about that next time. Settings for your camera, we're not gonna delve into that. We are mostly interested with Playground. So Playground is your AR or augmented reality. I've told you that a while back. So augmented reality is like virtual reality, but it augments the real world with your virtual environment. So you're not really immersed in the virtual environment fully. You have the best of both worlds, the real and the virtual. So this is an augmented reality platform. You can use this one. So the stickers, so when you tap on it, you have your featured. So this one have some really good content. This is the Pokemon, this is the Avengers, and this one I already downloaded, so no need to download that. If you like the Avengers, you can install it. So I'm gonna show you how you can install it and use it later. Okay, so this may take a while, so you might want to connect to a Wi-Fi signal. It's 94.13 megabytes, but it may take some time, but we'll have to wait. So for those stickers or assets that you have already downloaded, you can readily use them offline. This one is almost done. So the Avengers is trademarked with Avengers, so maybe Google had partnership with Marvel to get this content. So installation successful. You might want to go back. So as what we can see, we have the Avengers characters here. We have the childish Gambino and the love uh, Playmojis. So you can also have this funny Playmojis. If Apple have Animojis, Google have Playmoji for the playground. So let's try maybe Pikachu. When you tap something, it will go directly to the screen. So this is a real world guitar. So the guitar exists in the real world, but Pikachu is a 3D render of a character, so no surprises with that. So you can move Pikachu around the plane. So Google knows you can see where the plane is. So the bed is right there. So if you want to make Pikachu bigger, okay, you can move him farther back. Okay, you can also have actions. You can make him dance. So what are the uses, practical uses of Playmojis? You can use Playmojis for your social media content. You might want to incorporate them to your daily My Stories or My Day on Facebook or Instagram. So you can have a static object and you might want to add some interest by using Playmojis or stickers. You can also maybe add another character. So here we have Iron Man. So when you move your phone, it's really Iron Man scaled to a real world size. Okay, so Pikachu is interacting with the different Playmoji. So you can have multiple Playmojis in a single scene. Unfortunately, we can't really scale down Iron Man right here. So when you move your smartphone around, he stays on the plane, can talk to you. You can also have him do some actions. Okay, so we added another one. We can move Iron Man to the side. Okay. And if you want to remove a Playmoji, you can just drag him to the trash can. See, this character is pretty scary. Yeah. So they're stepping on the guitar, but not really. They're existing in a virtual world, overlaid to the real world that you can see with your camera. So Pikachu is just chilling out. He's interacting with you and the other Playmoji. So what you can do is you can just go back to the playground, add some Jigglypuff. So Jigglypuff, okay, Jigglypuff, you can move him right there, and then put another one, maybe Captain America. You can move Captain America to the side, and you can record it as video. So this is not just for fun. You can always have content recorded. So you might want your kid to stand on the side, and you can have a recording of it with Captain America. So you might want to give them a very good briefing about imagination. Okay, imagine Captain America by your side. So when you let it go, it will be saved to your gallery, just like any other video content. So when you play with it, it's pretty high definition. So when you download the Playmoji assets, it will be saved to your local device. So when you make a content, it will be fairly high definition and very realistic. So Jigglypuff is pretty scaled down compared to Iron Man, which is maybe an accurate depiction if they exist in real life. So yeah, you can try this for your Galaxy smartphones. Maybe they have this one, but for the Google Pixel users out there, you might want to try this with your Android 10 operating system. So you have the chance to upgrade your smartphone operating system. So if you like this tip and trick video, subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. And if you want your Galaxy smartphones, Pixel smartphones, iPhones fixed, contact us in the details below. So till next time guys, cheers!